I'm packing for 3 days and 2 night camp and just using this backpack. It has one huge section like this. Tiny apartment in the front. This is what it looks like, overview of everything that is going to be in my bag. I'm going to be packing 2 outing clothes, singlet, this singlet and denim shorts. Place this pair of outing clothes at the bottom of my bag, so just laying flat like this. Second pair, I'm gonna wear just these comfy kind of like brown shorts that are top like this, and this will go at the bottom of my bag as well. Bring 2 pairs of PJs. One is this 6-in Wonderland, a t-shirt for PJ. This. Yeah. Oops. I'm gonna pop it on like at the bottom of the bag, like this. My bikini, top and bottom, because the camp where we're going, there's a beach there, so we might be going into the water. Big towel as well, so I'm like stocking layer, and I have phones to use when I'm walking around the place. So now I'm gonna pop in small things like my toothpaste, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and electrolyte in small samples. Panadol medicine, brush, some tissue, cotton, and moisturizer and contact. 2 pairs of glasses, looking afar, and 1 sunnies. I place my underwear in this small bag. 2 plastic bags, dirty clothes in here. I'm gonna pack 4 pairs of socks, 2 water bottles because I drink a lot of water. Yeah, just in case if I need to drink, of course. And I'm gonna pack a playing card because I love to play cards.
No, nice.
Harry Potter as well. How cool is that?
Very cool.
Put that in, if you can see it.
You can't see it.
I'm gonna put this in the small section, makeup bag.
Oh, I can see the fake dog too.
You look at my pants.
No, I didn't get your pants.
This is like my makeup. I don't. So this is like, you know, like the things I need.
I think you've been.
I'm gonna pop that in the small section. Of course, we need a bug spray, and I think that's it. Let me show you what I'm not putting in my bag. On day 1, tights. It has like red details on the side. Yeah, green singlet to go with it. So over the, I'm gonna wear layered this black hoodie. One more thing I forgot to show you guys. Bring this huge sleeping bag with me. That's what the backpack look like. It's quite reasonable size sleeping bag. I'm gonna hold like this. So yeah, this is all I'm gonna bring for the camp. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you enjoy me packing, or if this video is useful. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet.
Yeet!
And follow my Instagram. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye. Oh no, I'll do that again. I'll do it again.
We're done. We're done. That's it.
I'll do that again. Bye bye. What is